What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angele Altieri if this is your first time here, and welcome to the video. Today I have another sneaker unboxing. Ooh, angles. So yeah, today we have the Off-White X Nike Air Rubber Dunks. If you're interested in the details of this shoe, how I copped, what they look like, all that jazz, then you know the deal, you know the drill. And you know the vibes. Let's get it. It's going to be a quick video. So let's look at the box. Silver box with the holes. Check. They're here. Very bright light. Here we have all the info. I did get a size 4. If you've seen my other sneaker videos, you know I'm a size men's 5, but this is a men's 4, so it's a little bit too small for me. I did get this pair as a slot from a fellow being. I'll post a picture of their Instagram and I'll link their Instagram down below. So yeah, I got this from a fellow being, and this was purchased off of the Off-White website, which was $208 for the shoe, $22 shipping. So overall I paid $228, and these did release on October 1st, and since these aren't my size, they're like a full size too small. I won't be able to do any on feet. Oh, the inside we have the Off-White paper, yellow like wax paper. Okay, so we'll get into the shoes. They are so small. You know what, I might be able to fit these. I think I'll fit these. I was about to show you my foot, but no, I'm not gonna do that. I think I could fit these though. So yeah, clearly I got the black and Volt green colorway. What do you guys think? I'll give you my final thoughts on the shoe afterward. Some details came out October 1st. On Nike it was I think $190 for the dunks, but I did pay $208 off the Off-White website, and they shipped from Italy, which is kind of cool. The shoe does have the signature Off-White writing or text in the medial panel, so on the inside panel, and the zip tie, which is in orange. It's a dang, what's this material? It's not velvet. Dang, what's this material called? I know what it is. It's not suede. The tag right here, not the tie part, or the zip part, that this tag right here, it's not plastic, it's more like a furry texture or material. If I could remember what it is by the time I upload, or by the time I edit, I'll put it in. I'm blanking. I know what it is, but I'm blanking. But it does match my nails. How cool is that? This silhouette is inspired by the Nike Pegasus, based off of this like heel collar right here. You see a little better. So if we look more into the shoe, we have a suede toe box and a rubber toe cap. There's a lime green accents all over. Basically outlining wherever there is rubber throughout this shoe, and where you lace, the eyelets are also rubber, which will make it a little difficult to change your laces, remove them, or put them back in. It'll just be a little tougher to get the material of the laces through the rubber. It'll snag a bit, but shouldn't be a huge problem. And of course you have these can you even see? You have this signature exposed foam tongue. Now the whole shoe itself is black with the volt green detailing throughout the shoe. The Nike checks are both green and rubber, so wherever there's green, it's rubber, period. And then on the back here, the toe panel, the heel panel itself is suede, but the Nike Air is rubber also. And the tongue, can't really see because it's so black, but the tongue is mesh. On the other pair, we have the Volt Green extra pair of laces that comes with the shoe. Now, that's all the info I have on the shoe, all the details, stuff like that. Oh, and then the Volt Green sole. And the insole is like a typical Off-White Dunk insole. For size, these are, listen, when I saw these, I wasn't impressed. I wasn't like, I need them. Oh my gosh, they're everything. I love them so much. I don't think any of the Off-White Dunks I've been that interested in, but I feel very Halloween-y with my orange nails and these black and green dunks. It's a vibe. They aren't my favorite sneaker by any means, but they're cute. Like, if I have the bread and I got my hands on them, I'd be interested in them. I wouldn't say, ew, I don't like those. I may have said, ew, I don't like those when I first saw them because I'm a flip-flop when it comes to sneakers. Sometimes I hate sneakers at first, and then I see them in person or on someone's feet and I like them and I flop. But I would give these shoes out of 10, maybe like a 7 out of 10. I have tried, let me see, they're so packed in here. I've tried Nike Dunks before, like I've tried them on. I didn't keep the pair I got because it wasn't a color I was that interested in, but that pair was super comfortable. They had like the, I guess, orthopedic insole, very cushiony insole. Those are regular dunks, not rubber dunks, and these don't have the same feel as the other ones I had. The other ones were the Kentucky dunks. These don't have the same insole, so I don't know how comfortable these would be in comparison. I do want a pair of dunks because the insole just felt so nice. So there's that. That's all I have to say about this shoe. 7 out of 10 is what I rate it. I'm not mad at it. This is something like Billie Eilish would wear. I would definitely see Billie Eilish in this shoe. It's her 1000%. And I'm not mad at it. Especially like in a small size. I'm not mad at it. But that's all I have to say. Did you get your hands on a pair of these? There were 2 other colorways that I heard were very hard to get, especially the yellow pair, that they were almost like non-existent. But yeah, happy to have my hands on these. Thank you so much to the fellow being. I'll link them down below. They do slots for many releases, especially easy releases, and they do hat club releases. So if you're interested in any of that, definitely go check them out. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button down below, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy. I post every Thursday and Sunday. This week I have a lot of uploads going up, a lot of videos I want to film and get up as soon as possible, which is what I'm doing. So look out for some more videos, especially some Bad Bunny Crocs videos coming soon. If you like this video and you like me, share this with a friend, one friend, all your friends, Instagram, Twitter. I link all my social media down below. I link my website down below where I sell my very own makeup mystery boxes. So if you're interested in that, or you know someone who is, click the link down below, sends you straight to my product page. So you get to know all the info, the detail, the pricing, all of that. I do have a video, I'll link it up here if you're interested in some more details and me talking about my boxes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye. Oh.